Hello everyone. Recently, due to the situation, many countries are going to implement having people wear some sort of mask or face covering, and so I wanted to show you some alternatives that have been approved here by the Czech government in Czech Republic, and so maybe this will give you an idea of something you can do back home. Let's begin. So the first mask is what's known as a regular surgical mask. Usually these are already pre-sterilized in the package. Apply by putting those strings, the rubbery parts, over your ears and then applying pressure to your nose and pulling the ends opposite from each other. Do not touch the inside of the mask. There is a left and right kind of perspective of what it should look like. The important part when you remove it is to hold the center of the mask, pull one ear over, do not touch anywhere near your face, and throw it away. The next option is what's called a face shield. These are made by SA Company. The link will be in the description. It's a very stretchy material, so as you put it on, you'll feel it kind of tighten up. That's okay, there's nothing to worry about. Pull it down just beneath your eyes. Make sure it's covering your nose. Again, put pressure on your nose and pull opposite ends away from each other. Here is a left and right perspective of what it should look like. You can remove it by not touching the front of your face. Grab from your ears, pull up, stretch it over your face, and discard it into your dirty laundry when you're finished. The third option is using a bandana. Make sure to fold it into a triangle so that way you have almost a double layer. As you can see here, once it's in the triangle shape, go ahead, put over the front of your face and tie just a simple knot in the back. You don't have to do anything crazy. Apply pressure to your nose and pull in opposite directions. There I am tightening it over my ears and making sure the knot is nice and tight. Here is a left and right perspective, and you can notice in the back it's just a simple knot. When you're ready to untie it, simply undo the knot, do not touch your face, and discard it into the laundry to be washed. And the fourth option is a simple scarf. Go ahead and pull it kind of taut. Apply it just like you would the other ones and wrap one end around your neck while the other one hangs loose for a second. You'll come back to that. Make sure to adjust it and put it around your face as you are comfortable. And now bring that second loop over the front of your chest and just do a simple knot forward. Again, this does not have to be pretty, it just has to be functional. Here is a left and right perspective. And here it is from the back. As you can see, it's nice and tight. When you're ready to remove, simply pull the two ends apart from each other. Do not touch your face and place in the dirty laundry. I wish you the best of luck during these hard times. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.